Good day, sir. I am Jillian Hartley Bianson. I will be your student nurse for today. Let me close the door for you to have your privacy, sir. May I know your full name, sir?
Lawrence G.N.
Okay, sir. How about your birthday, sir?
August 12, 2006.
Thank you. To proceed to the procedure that I'm going to do today, I am going to do the bed bath, which is I'm going to do the head. I'm going to touch your head, your abdomen and chest, your lower extremity, and your perineal care. Is that okay with you, sir? Okay, sir. Before we start the procedure, we do the hand sanitize. Put the gloves. And after putting the gloves, remove the pillow and switch it into the clean towel. After that, ask the patient if he's using contact lens. Are you using contact lens, sir? Okay. And then please check the temperature of the water if it is enough for you to do the bed bath. Okay. Before that, to proceed the bed bath on his head, put the clean towel on his chest. Then rinse the cloth slowly. Start wiping his face from inner to outer canthus. And then after that, rinse the cloth again. Going to start from forehead, chin, cheek, forehead, cheek, chin, nose, ears, and neck. After that, make sure that the patient's face is dry and clean. And remove the towel after doing the procedure. After removing the towel, ask the patient if you wanna shave or no. Sir, do you wanna shave your Thank you. And then the next step, I'm going to do the upper extremities. To proceed to that procedure, I need to get a new towel and then fold it into a lengthwise. And ask the patient to put out his arms. So you can put out your arms. And after that, rinse the cloth slowly Post mo nga pa. And gently tap to the patient's arm. After that, position the patient's arm head level. And then rinse the cloth. After the axilla care, put deodorant if necessary. After that, remove the dirty cloth, dirty towels, and put back the patient's arm. And then after that, I will proceed into the abdomen and chest. Before that, put a clean towel on the patient's chest and slowly put down the blanket. And then after that, rinse the cloth. Then rinse the patient's abdomen to chest. And now, after that, put back the blanket and remove the dirty towel. To proceed on the lower extremity, I need to fold the blanket gently and use the clean towel, fold into the half lengthwise, and ask the patient to put up his leg. Now, rinse the cloth slowly. And then wipe the patient's knees to toe. And then after that, rinse the cloth properly, because we're able to wipe the patient's knees too tight. And then after that, make sure that the patient's leg is dry and clean. And then apply a moisturizer. And then after that, remove the dirty towel. Put back the blanket. And then repeat it to the other leg. After doing the lower extremities, we're going to proceed to do the perineal care. Before that, we need to change the water bath, the cloth, and your clean gloves. And then after that, we need to able to ask the patient to put up his legs. Sir, put up your legs. Thank you. And then put up the blanket. Postpone. Up the blanket. And then after that, wash the cloth nicely and slowly. After that, make sure that the patient's perineal parts are dry and clean. And then ask the patient to put back his legs. Thank you, sir. And then put back slowly the blanket. After that, remove the clean gloves. Do the hand hygiene. And then record all the findings, and that's all for today. Thank you for cooperating, sir. Good day, sir. I am Jillian Hartley Bianson. I will be your student nurse for today, sir. Let me close the door for you to have your privacy, sir. May I know your name, sir?
Del Rosario Jilican.
Okay. How about your birthday, sir?
April 7, 2006.
Okay, thank you, sir. So for today, I'm going to do oral care, which is ang oral care, sir. Yun po ay ang tututlasyan po kita. Is that okay with you, sir? Okay, thank you, sir. First thing to do, I need to sanitize my hand sanitize. And then put gloves. Okay, sir. To proceed the procedure, I'm going to put you in a position in a sideways, sir. Is that okay with you, sir? Okay, sir. Thank you. Are you comfortable, sir? Okay, sir. Thank you. After that, sir, I'm going to put this towel para po hindi po mabasa yung surface ng bed. After that, put the container. Then, put the toothpaste. Somehow, sir. Do you still need water, sir? After that, after brushing his teeth, on the pressor to check his mouth. Okay. Sir, after that, I'm going to put back you in your position, sir. Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. After that, do hand tied here again. And then record all the findings, and that's all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your cooperation, sir. Good day. visage. Going to do the coatment massage. Now, sir, I'm done to the procedure. I'm going to put back your shirt. I'm going to put back you in supine position ng poster na nakaharap na. After that, I'm going to do hand hygiene again. Thank you for your cooperation, sir. And that's it. Thank you. Good day, sir. I am Jillian Hart Vivianson. I will be your student nurse for today, sir. Let me close this door for you to have your privacy, sir. May I know your name, sir?
Lawrence Yu Jian.
Okay, sir. Thank you. How about your birthday, sir?
August 12, 2006.
Okay, sir. So today I will do the shampooing. Shashampuan kita, sir. Is that okay with you, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Before we start the procedure, I will be do the hand hygiene. And put the clean gloves. And then after that, remove the patient's pillow and change it into a clean towel. So, sir, I'm going to remove this pillow now. Is that okay with you?
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, rinse the patient's hair slowly. And then apply the shampoo. And rub it gently. After that, rinse the patient's hair gently. After rinsing patient, after washing patient's hair, we're gonna get a new towel to make patient's hair dry. First, set aside the used water and gently dry the patient's hair. After that, use a comb to comb the patient's hair. And after that, remove the dirty towel And put back the patient's pillow. After that, remove the clean gloves. And do the hand hygiene. And that's all, sir. Thank you for your cooperation.